Hi, this is Jeff Drew with Star Mortgage in West Bridgewater, Massachusetts, and I wanted to talk to you briefly today and give you some information about paying points or not paying points. Now, most people I work with, when given the choice, they'll make that choice based upon having the facts in front of them, knowing the pros and cons to each scenario. In a normal marketplace, for example, for every point that you pay, you lower your interest rate by 1/8 to 1/4% over the life of the loan. So yes, based on pure math, over the life of the loan, you'll pay back less money by paying points, but you'll have slightly higher closing expenses. In a normal marketplace, a normal meeting up until December 16th of 2008, when we had that real big drop in interest rates recently, if you paid a point, you would lower your rate by about 1/8 to 1/4%. So for example, maybe 5.5% with no points, or 5.25% with 1 point. And your break-even point being the cost of the point divided by the monthly savings, was about a 5.2-year time frame. The math always stayed about the same based upon loan amount. It never changed. But what we're seeing right now is a market that's completely different. See, these rates that were locked in back at the end of December, beginning in January at 5% or low 5% range with no points, the lenders want to make sure that those loans close with them. So what they've done, a lot of the lenders are having that 0-point rate substantially higher. So what you're seeing nowadays, for example, maybe you'll see a rate with no points on a day, maybe at 5.75, but if you paid 1 point, your rate might be as low as 4.875 or 5% as an example. These are not rate quotes. Please call for one of those. So in this marketplace, it makes sense to talk about the potential paying a point, because realistically, if you can lower your interest rate by 0.5 or 0.625 or 0.75% by paying a point, it is a huge savings, and your break-even point might be less than 1 year's time frame. So although you maybe in the past have said, no, I don't want to even consider paying points, you definitely want to talk about it, get the facts, because armed with the facts, you're able to make the best financial decision for yourself. This is Jeff Drew at Star Mortgage. I'll be happy to share with you the market conditions, talk about interest rates, and get you in a position where you're able to lock in your savings. I can be reached at the office at 1-800-941-5616 or online at www.jeffdrew.starmortgage.com. I look forward to speaking with you, and have a great day.